Hello fourth class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Let's start today's class. Okay, ready for today's class? Now students, tell me what we have learned in our previous class. So students, we have learned how character, feelings and motivations change. Okay. Now students, today your topic is retelling the story. Today your topic is retelling the story. Now student, this is a question. What is a key event? What is the key event? So students, key events means the important events in the story. What is key event? Important events of a story that we called key events. Okay, that we called key events. Similar to the key details, key event is very important for the story. The key events are those which would change the entire story. Okay. Often key events are those which are also change the feelings and motivations of the characters. Key events है ना, जो फीलिंग्स हैं और मोटिवेशंस हैं ना कैरेक्टर के, वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. ओके. कुछ की इवेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिससे स्टोरी पूरी की पूरी जो स्टोरी है उसमें से जो कैरेक्टर्स की फीलिंग है और मोटिवेशंस है वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, टुडे वी विल identify the key events in the magic spell and how these events change the feelings of the characters. Okay, now student, look at your story. Now student, this is your story, the magic spell, and you have to read the story and underline the key events from this story. Okay, now students, let's discuss. Now students, tell me what are key events in the beginning, middle and end of the story change the feeling of the characters. Now look at the story. The key events of the story are the twins wanting to sell the car. Now look at this here. The twins wanted to sell the car. Let's sell in a museum. बोला है ना उसने, देखो let's sell it to the museum. So the twins wanting to sell the car. This is your beginning event, key event. So this is the beginning event. The twins wanting to sell the car. And second one, the twins cast a spell on the car. यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक मैजिक स्पेल किया था ना. The twins cast a magic spell. So we write down here, the twins cast a spell on the car. So these are the beginning. क्यों किया था उन्होंने? Why they cast a magic spell? Why? To make the car unlucky. The twins cast a spell on the car. Why? Because they want to become the car unlucky. यहाँ पे now look at this. अमू ने बोला है ना कि what if we made the car unlucky, कि हम क्यों ना इस कार को अनलकी बना दे. तो दे कास्ट अ magic spell because they want to make the car unlucky. Next one, what happened in the middle? Which are the middle events, key events? So their father having an accident. देखो यहाँ पे उसके father का accident हो गया था ना. Now look at this. This is the main key event in the beginning of the. So we write down here, their father having an accident and Jennifer confessing that she was fooling about the spell. नाउ लोग यहाँ पे देखिए, जेनिफर ने कन्फेस किया ना कि वो फूल बना रही थी उनको, कोई मैजिक नहीं हो रहा है ना. देखो, जेनिफर स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. ओह नो, एक्चुअली डिड प्लेइंग अ ट्रिक ऑन you. So Jennifer confessed. Here Jennifer confessed. So Jennifer confesses she was fooling, कि उनको फूल बना रही है ना. Now what was the ending event? The ending event देखो यहाँ पे, they dig a hole but the bones has disappeared, है ना. So क्या राइट करेंगे? the ending event, the bone was missing. So this is the ending key event. And next one, आप देखो क्या हुआ था. डॉग ने डिग किया ना, देखो यहाँ पे ना, इन द लास्ट. नाउ लुक एट दिस, ऑल द डिगिंग ही हैड डन इन द गैरेज. किसने डिग किया इसको? लड्डू ने. सो वी राइट डाउन हियर, द डॉग हैड dug up the bone. So these are the beginning, middle and ending key events. Okay students, now student tell me, why are these key events? ये क्यों है key events? These are the key events as they affect the feeling of the characters and change the way they feel about and react the situation. Now look at this in the story. Before the accident, they felt embarrassed because of the car, but after the accident they felt guilty. उन्होंने गिल्टी फील किया ना, because they thought his father, उनकी वजह से ही उसके फादर का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. ओके, they think their magic caused their father's accident. उस मैजिक की वजह से ही उसके फादर का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. ओके, so they felt guilty. Okay, these are the key events as they affect the feelings of the characters and change the way they feel about and react to a situation. Now students tell me, if the bone was not missing, how do you think the story would have ended, and how did Amu and Anup have felt then? If the bone was not missing, the children would have thought the magic spell don't work after all and the car was an ordinary. कि ये तो ordinary car है, simple car है ना. They may have felt silly or believing in a magic spell. The ending would have been less fun for the readers because it would have been less surprising. Okay, so वो इंटरेस्टिंग ही नहीं रहती है ना स्टोरी, और क्या हो जाता उसमें कोई सरप्राइज ही नहीं रहता अगर वो बोन्स मिसिंग नहीं होती तो, है ना. Now student, this is your S for retelling the story. This is your question 1. Fill in the chart with the key details from the beginning, middle and end of the story. Parts of the story, here you write down the key details or key events of the beginning and how did Amu and Anu feel, why did their feeling change and why it is a key detail. Okay, so you have to write down the key details here. In the beginning, क्या होता है in the beginning? They want to sell the car, है ना. But after the father's accident, their feeling change. They think the car is lucky car. The car is lucky for their father. And you have to write down the middle events here and you have to write down the ending event here. Now look at this. हमने किए हैं ना जो बिगिनिंग इवेंट, मिडल इवेंट एंड एंडिंग इवेंट. इस टाइप से आपको भी यहाँ पे बिगिनिंग इवेंट्स, मिडल इवेंट्स और एंडिंग इवेंट्स राइट करने हैं, उनका रीज़न देना. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट, दिस इज क्वेश्चन 2. चूज अ की डिटेल फ्रॉम द स्टोरी एंड राइट हाउ द स्टोरी वुड चेंज इफ द की डिटेल वॉज चेंज्ड. अगर चेंज हो जाएगी की डिटेल स्टोरी की तो उसका स्टोरी का एंड कैसे होगा. नाउ इन द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी, the bones was not in the end of the story the bones was missing, but if the bones was not missing the children would have thought the magic spell did not work. After all the car was an ordinary car for her, है ना. वो ordinary car होती, but वो क्या सोच रहे थे, इन द लास्ट ऑफ द बोन्स डिसअपियर होगी तो वो सोच रहे थे इट इज़ अ मैजिक कार, कि वो मैजिक कार है. अगर जो डॉग है वो डिग नहीं करता बोन्स को तो क्या होता, स्टोरी विल बी एंड डिफरेंटली. अगर वहीं मिल जाती बोन्स तो दे थिंक द कार इज़ ऑर्डिनरी कार. ओके, सो यू हैव टू after watching this video you have to complete your worksheet as for retelling the story. Thank you.